You must be wondering, layoff के बाद ऐसे कैसे she comes here हर दूसरे दिन and says all these positive things? It must be a sham. Well, yes it is. Hi everyone, I am Divya Grover, aka the girl she wasn't if you know me from Instagram, and I am here to be completely honest about my layoff, about my emotional and financial being and my journey hereof. And let me tell you one thing, life में कोई भी इतना positive नहीं होता है, especially when they are surprise laid off. But I am positive and I have a reason behind it. Because I am rich. Not with money. I'm rich in life, in people. And that's one of the major reasons I am being able to live off this layoff with peace. And even with a little bit of joy. So this video is not about layoff. It's about the beautiful people in my life. My parents, my in-laws, my sister and Jiju, my husband, my family and my friends. When I told them I had lost my job, they didn't panic. They didn't make me feel like I had failed. They just looked at me and said, कोई बात नहीं, लाइफ में उतार चढ़ाव तो लगे ही रहते हैं और टेंशन किस बात की, हम हैं ना, we trust you. You have done it before and you will do it again. It's happening for your own good. Just wait and see. No stress on their face, no pressure in their voice, just pure, calm love. And maybe they were feeling something inside, I don't know, but they didn't show it because they knew I needed that strength more than anything at that time. And now don't get me wrong, career में उतार चढ़ाव as we talk about it, ये पहले भी आए हैं. Not in this shape and form, but yes they have. And I have bounced back out of it in not more than 30 days. But this time it's different. I am at a higher level in the corporate hierarchy, higher salary bracket, fewer jobs, LinkedIn, Naukri, nothing's working. It is hard. And yet I'm smiling, still holding on. Because I know I'm not alone in this. Even my sister, she's married and she lives in Prague with her husband, my Jiju. Even they called me and said, you don't need to worry about anything. Not even your EMIs. Hum hai na. They offered. Just like that. No condition, no hesitation. Of course, I'm not going to take it. Kinshuk has his business. We have our savings. But just that someone says it, it makes you feel like I'm safe, I'm held, I'm loved. And that's the real richness. That is my treasure. And then there is my husband. I don't even know how to start this part without crying. When I got laid off, it was Ganpati at that time. Then I went to see Lal Bagh Cha Raja. Then I went to Delhi. I just needed a reset, a change of environment. And then I fell sick. And for 10 days, I did absolutely nothing. Even when I came back, I wanted to be productive. But I just couldn't. I posted like one video in 10 days, scrolled through jobs, no calls, cry when he used to come back, just felt stuck. And one day he sat me down and he said, you need routine. You have been your best self when you were following a routine. So block your time, 10 to 6, 9 to 5, 10 to 4, whatever you are comfortable with. Apply for jobs, write, shoot, do your thing. But just sit and do your work. And then he said something that broke me. I don't expect meals. I don't want you to change your schedule for me. You don't have to alter your day because you are at home and I have to go to office. And that one conversation, he may not even know, but he healed something inside me. I have grown up seeing women change their entire day, their entire being for the men around them. My mom, my mother-in-law, my aunts, almost every woman I know. Dinner timing depends on the husband. Tea at 6:30 because dad comes at home at 6:15. But this man, he told me not to. He told me to just be me, to become more of me. So while I don't have money to be rich, I know that I am rich in every way that matters. And maybe that is why this layoff doesn't scare me as much as it should. Because I've got this treasure, this $1 million support system holding me. If you are watching this and someone in your life is going through a layoff, a career break, or just feeling lost, please don't offer solutions until asked. Please don't give advice. just say hum hai na. Just be there. Just be kind. Because kindness, it goes the longest way. If this video touched you, if you felt something, let me know in the comments. Tell me about your people, your treasure. And if you'd like to walk with me through this journey, please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. I'm also posting lots of YouTube shorts and Instagram updates because this is just the beginning. And we are going to figure this out together. Thank you for being here. Take care. Bye.